You're watching the Ali and Rai Rai show.
So we're gonna be doing this curl former set on me. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's start on detangling my hair. I have some like spray leave-in and water. And I'm just gonna comb it out. Watch me. We should
link check.
We should insert a picture of this time last year, how short my hair was. Right now. I cut my hair when he cut his hair the first time. And that was what? Christmas
2018.
And I cut it and I kept cutting it.
Her hair is so soft and pretty and it smells so good.
So what curl pattern would you say that I do have?
I would say this is a 3A.
I think it's a 3A too, and it's like a 3B in the front.
Everybody trying to claim that they have 4C hair now.
I know.
It's like
everybody wants the curliest type hair.
Yeah, you don't need to.
Like,
everybody doesn't
it's
need
not
to
a
have
competition.
4C. All curl types matter.
Stop. I've been seeing a lot of these white girls doing their wavy hair routine. And it's like, yeah, you do have curls. And it's like these white girls that have had frizzy hair their entire lives because they've been trained to straighten their hair. And, oh, wait, I think I have curly hair. And that's why my hair's been frizzy. But low key, I've been like watching some of the videos. I'm like, girl, that was a good look for you. Or are they just trying to, you know, get their natural hair popping?
So yeah, now it's all combed out.
Now that all the hair is combed out, I'm gonna section, and Ryan will show you what products we're using.
We're using this hemp leave-in spray to wet her hair. We're using this Lotta Body curl mousse. We're using this modified brush. We're using these Curlformers that we bought at Sally's Beauty. The crochet hook to pull the curls.
Just pull them down.
Just kidding. So she's sectioning the hair right now.
And you don't need perfect parting.
What we're doing.
We already got started and did a couple. So now we're kind of finishing up the back section. Ryan was so kindly layering on some leave-in conditioner because I realized my ends was really dry. So sorry. So just a little bit, literally like a pea size on each little section with some foaming mousse, wrapping foam. I'll just give y'all a PSA about Lotta Body. I don't really know anything. I'm not really going to get into all the ingredients and stuff, but if you don't really care about what you're putting in your hair, this is a very good brand. Each product is under $5. Like, where do they do that at anymore? They don't even sell Subway footlongs for $5 anymore. Comb out each section from root to end. This is low-key the longest section of my hair. And he did it!
To fix the curl former, you just have to like stretch it and play with it a little bit.
I'm just gonna keep going, doing the same thing over and over again.
Alright, so now I have it twisted very tightly. Too tightly, some might say. Some may Alex. Just kidding.
That's me.
Alright, so it's twisted away from the rest of her hair at the scalp. So just hold it up and then
Keep going. This is gonna end up being a twofer because we don't have enough long curl formers. So we're gonna use some flexi rods. And
she is the flexi rod queen.
We're gonna twofer. There's 4 on each side. I'll take a little more foam.
Are there any gays out there that used to do their mommy's hair at home like this? 'Cause that was me. Just take your time and go slowly up. Secure it into place. And then boom. No, it's long enough. Perfect.
I was like, if that don't fit.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's like right on her face. Now
Yeah.
twist it again to make sure that it's on there tightly. And then boom.
And then boom.
I'm gonna insert a video clip of what it looked like when my homegirl did the Curlformers on me.
Years
she
ago.
used way too much product. So yeah, it was too much product and then it did not come out very good. It was just super wet.
And we'll check you guys out tomorrow. Do a cute little ponytail. Then pull back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm done because it's not perfect, but you can definitely make it work. I think to fix it, I would just need either more Curlformers or more Flexi rods. That was a cool experiment on Heatless curls. They're cute. They definitely look different than my, natural curl pattern. But it looks pretty cute to me. I would definitely wear it out and definitely, keep picking it out. If you want to add more oil to the ends or serum, add more serum. I think that I'm gonna count this as a win. If you think different, let us know in the comments. Subscribe, comment, like, and we'll see y'all next time in the next video. Bye. Put them on pause.
Let me see the best stuff.
Period. Brian!
I'm so sorry.
Did you guys use the same bottle? Did you guys? Be letting go the twin. I hate Shay. I hate
She does not like Shay.
Oils, butter. I don't like that smell.
Okay, everyone, I'm sorry. Just give me one. It's fine. It's fine still.
That does not look good.
You know what? At this point.